Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video, we will be discussing important current affairs for the topic appointments and resignation for May month. It will be quite an important session, students. Stay tuned with us till the end. First is name the person who was appointed as the president of the National Company Law Tribunal in April for a period of 5 years. So for 5 years he was appointed. Who we are talking about? Anupinder Singh Grewal. Next, Vishwajit Sahai, who took charge as the secretary in May 26, succeeding Rasika Chaube, serves under which ministry responsible for financial advisory and budgetary oversight? So which ministry we are talking about? It is the Ministry of Defense. Next, who among the following was appointed as the Deputy Governor of RBI in May for 3-year term, succeeding T. Ravi Shankar? So who among the following we are talking about? Rohit Jain. Next, Dr. R. Subramaniam and Dr. Joram Ania were appointed as the full-time members of Niti Aayog. Zoram Ania became first representative from which Indian state UT to be a part of India's policy think tank? From Arunachal Pradesh, right? With the appointment here, the total number of full-time members of Niti Aayog has increased from 5 to 7. Next, who was appointed as the chairman of Prasar Bharati, India's public service broadcaster in May 2026? Right option, Prasoon Joshi. Right, he succeeded whom? He succeeded Navneet Kumar Sehgal. Right, and also remember, Prasoon Joshi was honored with Padma Shri, that is the 4th highest civilian award, in 2015. Next is name the person appointed as the chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification in May by the Government of India, who succeeded Prasoon Joshi. Right option, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Next, identify the person nominated by FICCI as the co-chair of Saudi India Business Council in May 2026. Right option, Priyanka Mittal. She has been nominated by FICCI as the co-chair of Saudi India Business Council. Next, National Assembly of Bulgaria formally elected and sworn in former President Dash as the Prime Minister of Bulgaria from the Progressive Bulgaria Party. So, former President, who we are talking about? Rumen Radev. Next, name the country where Laura Virginia Fernandez Delgado was sworn in as the 50th President of National Stadium in San Jose on 8th of May for a 4-year term starting from 2026 to 2030. Right option, for Costa Rica, she was appointed as the 50th President. Next, Suvendu Adhikari, leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, was officially sworn in as the 9th Chief Minister of where? Of West Bengal, becoming the first leader from BJP to hold the post in Bihar state. He succeeded Mamata Banerjee, who was in position or who was the Chief Minister of West Bengal since 2011. Next, C. Joseph Vijay, the founder of the Tamilga Vetri Kazam, that is TVK, was sworn in as the Desk Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. So, C. Joseph Vijay, very famous actor also, right, appointed as the 13th Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Next, identify the organization in which Ashok Kumar Panda was appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director in May 2026. Right option, Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL. He succeeded Krishna Kumar Singh. Next, who was appointed as the chairman of BRI SEC Chamber of Commerce and Industry in May after stepping down as the chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Right option, Dr. Harvansh Chawla. He is the founder and managing partner of the KR Chawla and Co. Advocates since 1994. He served as the chairman of the BRICS CCI since May 2025. Next, who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Assam for second consecutive term in May, becoming the first non-Congress leader in Assam to serve two successive terms as Chief Minister. Right option, Himanta Biswa Sarma. Next, who was elected as the President of the CCI for term 2026-27 in May, succeeding Rajiv Memani. Right option, R. Mukundan. Next, who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Puducherry in May? Right option, N. Narayan Swamy. Next, Yoweri Museveni, the leader of the National Resistance Movement, was sworn in as the President of Uganda. Next, who was appointed as the Managing Director of Geo Platforms Limited in May for a 5-year term starting from April? Right option, Akash Ambani. Next is who was sworn in as the Iraq's youngest Prime Minister in May after being nominated by the Coordination Framework? Right option, Ali Feli Kadhim Al-Zaidi. Next, who took oath as the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala? Right option, Vadaseri Damodar Menon Satishan. That is VDM Satishan has been appointed as the Chief Minister, that is the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala, and he succeeded Pinai Vijayan. Next, Saurav Vijay, who succeeded Vivek Chandra Verma, assumed the charge as the CEO of which organization in May 2026? Of UIDAI. These were your important appointments and resignations, students. Now let's move some revision part. Next, mention the airline appointed William Walsh as the new Chief Executive Officer in March with effect from August. Right option is Indigo. Next, who chaired the joint expert group for the period 2 years constituted by IRDAI? We discussed this question right yesterday also, students. The right option is Rajay Kumar Sinha. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the key appointments in the Indian Army in April. So if we look at the options here, what is the right option? So all the three of them are rightly mentioned. Next, name the person who was elected as the 11th President of Myanmar. So Min Aung Hlaing has been appointed as the 11th President of Myanmar. Next, name the person who took additional charge as the Chairman and Managing Director of Steel Authority of India Limited following the resignation of Amarendu Prakash. Right option is Krishna Kumar Singh. Next, identify the nationality of the Blanca Vlasics, who was appointed as the International Event Ambassador for the 18th edition of the TCS World 10K Bengaluru 2026. He is from Croatia. Next, name the person who was appointed as the first brand ambassador of the Jindal Steel Limited. Right option is Ranveer Singh, the very famous actor. Next, name the country whose parliament re-elected To Lam as the president for 26 to 2031 term, April 2026. Right option is Vietnam. Next, identify the organization that appointed UB Praveen Rao as their new chairperson succeeding Rostov Ravanan on April 7th. Right option is NASCOM Foundation. Next, in April, ACC approved the appointment of Sanjay Khanna as the chairman and managing director of which Maharatna public sector undertaking? It is for Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next, identify the country where Ismail Omar Guella was re-elected as the president for a 6th consecutive term, securing 97.81% vote share. Right option is Djibouti. Next, name the person who was elected as the president of Iraq in April, succeeding Abdullah Latif Rashid. Right option is Nizar Muhammad Saeed Ahmadi. Next, name the leader who was sworn in as the 24th Chief Minister of Bihar, succeeding Nitish Kumar. Right option is Samrat Chaudhary. Next, identify the company that appointed Carlos Alcaraz as their global brand ambassador. It is Infosys. He is related to which sport? He is related to tennis. Next, who was appointed as the Acting Director General of the Competition Commission of India, succeeding Anshuman Patnaik. Right option is Rakesh Bhanot. Next, identify the person who was named as the next Chief Executive Officer of Apple Incorporation, succeeding Tim Cook. Right option is John Turnus.